I hadn't put the liner in yet.
Did you get a HOGWORKZ liner too?
Oh yeah, got the liner in the top, but I'm gonna take it to my cycle shop. I've got the speaker pods that go here.
Oh sweet, dude.
And then I'll put the liner in.
Still looking good. What was this, 4 or 5 years ago?
Yeah.
So what are we doing? Front fender?
Okay, on the front fender, the cat right there.
Yep.
I want one about yay big around.
Okay.
And then flames on the fender, flames around the cat, a few more right here. You can take this rack off if you want to. I want a cat right here,
Okay.
with flames around it, and what you got right here, I want here on each side, and then something to brighten up the back.
Alrighty, Brian Kite Pinstriping. How long have you been pinstriping for?
About 20 years.
20 years on the job.
3rd generation, so.
3rd gen, yeah, you know what?
After my dad and my grandfather.
That's what Bailey was telling me, is that your dad used to pinstripe, or he still does pinstripe. Yeah, he does a good job too, look at this. That bike's a beauty. Where are you based out of?
Oh, West Bend, Wisconsin.
It's a long drive for you, just like us.
It is. 13 hours or so.
Man, yeah, we came from Ocean City, so
Yeah.
it was
Oh
quite a
my God.
cruise, dude.
Yeah.
Check it out, guys. Brian Kite Pinstriping, 630-781-2036. 3rd generation hand-painted artistry. So you have a shop in West Bend, Wisconsin that you guys are based out of then?
I do work out of my house, and I travel a lot too, between doing work at Harley dealerships and different events.
That's cool. Do you do mostly motorcycles then, or?
I do.
That's
Motorcycles is kind of my specialty.
You ever done a lowrider or anything before?
Oh sure. Oh
That's
yeah.
cool.
I've done a lot of cars, a lot of trucks, but I really like working on motorcycles. You know, they're easy to maneuver, they're easy to get around, and the people are great. So that's a bonus.
He's got the cat all centered and sketched out on the bike. That's gonna look super cool when it's done.
I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no. It ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah.
Checked in. Wow, you've been busy, brother. It's looking amazing. He's yet to make it to our front fender.
Gonna tell you one more time. I can't run, I can't hide, I can't stay in no more. No, I can't run, I can't hide, I can't stay in no more. Oh no, 'cause when the devil's out to get you, you better pray and run slow.
Looking like he's done. How did it go, Brian?
It'll be pretty good. Nobody lost an eye.
Hey, that's
the bike
always
looks
good.
better.
And you didn't spill a drop.
That's right.
Except for that one right there. Just mess with it. John is gonna be all set.
Man, this looks freaking awesome right here. I think he did. I mean, that's why I bring my stuff to him.
He's top notch.
Hey Brian, you did one hell of a job, man.
Thank you, sir.
Keep up the good work, dude. You're
Absolutely.
rocking it.
Every day. Appreciate it, brother.
Hey, I appreciate you too, John. Well, that was really cool. Brian Kite did a fantastic job on that bike. If you're looking for some pinstriping and you're in the area of Wisconsin, hit up Brian Kite. He'll hook you up. He does a good job. Tell him HOGWORKZ sent you. But hey, with all that said and out of the way, I am Derek at HOGWORKZ on YouTube.com. Be sure to leave a like and subscribe. Peace out.